Adam here. Today I'm comparing Simplisafe and ADT, two very different approaches to home security that a lot of homeowners end up choosing between. Before I get into the comparison, I do want to point out that there's a link in the first pinned comment and in the description that leads to what I consider a better overall alternative. It's worth clicking if you want to see an option that balances features, support, and long-term value. Let's start with Simplisafe. Simplisafe is known for being very DIY friendly, which means you can set up the system yourself and customize it around your home. The equipment lineup is pretty robust, with a wide selection of sensors, cameras, and starter kits that make it easy to scale up over time. For most homeowners, that flexibility translates into strong overall value. The app experience is another area where Simplisafe stands out. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and gives you a lot of control over how your system works. Simplisafe also offers more advanced features, like Active Guard, which adds extra intelligence to monitoring and alerts. Those added tools are a big reason Simplisafe tends to appeal to people who want comprehensive DIY security without sacrificing capability. ADT takes a more traditional and fully professional approach. ADT systems are typically professionally installed, which means everything is set up for you from the beginning. That can be a big advantage if you don't want to think about device placement or system configuration. ADT also has a long-established monitoring network, which many homeowners associate with reliability and consistency. With ADT, the focus is on a premium, professionally managed experience. Longer-term service arrangements often allow customers to access professional-grade equipment while keeping upfront costs more manageable. For people who prefer hands-on support, from installation through ongoing monitoring, ADT delivers a very structured and guided experience. So when you compare Simplisafe and ADT side by side, it really comes down to control versus full service. Simplisafe leans toward flexibility, stronger DIY features, and a modern app experience. ADT leans toward professional installation, a traditional setup, and a monitoring-first model that appeals to homeowners who want everything handled for them. This is also a good point to bring up that better alternative again. Right in the middle of deciding between Simplisafe and ADT, checking the link in the pinned comment or the description can be helpful. It highlights an option that often combines high-quality equipment with professional monitoring and a very balanced overall experience. Both Simplisafe and ADT have clear strengths, and neither is a wrong choice. Simplisafe is a great fit for homeowners who want flexibility, advanced DIY features, and strong overall value. ADT is well suited for those who prefer a fully professional setup with long-standing monitoring support. But, depending on what matters most to you, there may be an option that brings everything together more effectively. Before you make your final decision between Simplisafe and ADT, I recommend taking a moment to click the link in the pinned comment and the description. That better alternative could end up being the smartest long-term choice for your home and your security needs.